Hey guys and gals, Froggy here. This is the control panel off of my spa heater. It's a pool spa heater. This is the spa control. This is the pool control, which I've never used because heating up a 20,000 gallon pool with a heater like this is, I don't know, I think it's kind of ridiculous. But I use this all the time. I'm having trouble with the temperature thermostat cutting off before it gets hot enough, and I'm thinking it might be this setting here. That's supposed to go to maximum heat, and I always just leave it at maximum heat, but I think there might be something here that's causing the heater shut off before it gets to 104 degrees. What I want it to get to is 104 degrees. I was thinking about switching them. Since this one's never been used, it might be in better condition. They are, as far as I can tell, identical on the back side. I just clipped a couple of ground wires and disconnected it from the rest of the heater to take it off so I could work on it on the bench here. Here's a schematic. One of the thermostats, the other thermostats. This is the switch that goes on the outside. That switch there. So it doesn't really tell me anything about, how this goes about being a thermostat. But what I'm going to do is clean up all the connections. I'm going to spray some. It's pretty open, actually, so I'm going to spray some contact cleaner in there, and then I'll try that first. I'll put it back in, and if it doesn't work, then I'll try switching them. I would love to have any comments that you guys and gals could get me about how to fix this. It's over 20 years old, so it's an oldie but a goodie, and it works fine except for cutting off with the water temperature being too low. So something is shutting the fire off on the heater. Okay, so I'm going to take this apart and I'm going to put this up on my YouTube channel for comments. Give me a thumbs up or like if this helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy. Click the bell if you want notifications. Be safe, have fun. Froggy out. Bye bye.